I will be using Rica wax to remove my facial hair to see if it is worth the price or not. So let's just dive right in. So here I have taken Rica wax, and the one I am going to be using is in variant avocado butter, and it is said that if you use it for quite some time it helps in permanently removing your hair. So I'm gonna take some talcum powder and apply it on my sideburns. The wax is hot. I'm gonna apply it on all the hair that I can see. Now you need to hold your skin taut and rip it in the direction opposite to the hair growth. And when I read about the wax, it is said that it is a painless wax. So let me tell you guys, look at my face expression, that it is not painless. It hurts this thing like normal wax does. Now in an article I read that if you want to remove the hair, it is going to remove all the hair in single go. Hi guys, so there is going to be this mini haul in this video. So recently I got my hands on these products which are from Tata Click, and they have amazing sale going on right now in which you're going to get 70% off on beauty products, and if you use my code Ritu10 you're going to get extra 10% off as well. So the products are going to be from Mamaearth and Wow, and they all falls in category of skincare, so I'm going to talk about each one of them quickly. So guys, the first product I got is this Upturn face wash by Wow Skincare Science, and it is made up of chickpea flour, almond powder, saffron and rose water. All the natural ingredients are going to be great for your skin. Also the brand is made in India, so I make sure that I support them. It comes with silicone bristles which thoroughly helps in removing the traces of grime, dirt, makeup or oil you have on your face. Also it is beneficial for the skin which is prone to whiteheads or blackheads, and once you pat your face dry it is gonna look radiant. Next up guys, I got this Upturn face and body scrub. Again, it has chickpea flour which helps in removing dead skin cells and also the fine hair you might have on your face. It has almond powder which is rich in vitamin E. Turmeric helps in making up your complexion brighter and glowing. I make sure that I switch on the steamer so that it helps in removing the deeply embedded impurities in my pores come out. Also the scrubbing process helps in removing any kind of whiteheads, blackheads you have on your face. I'm gonna do it for 2 to 3 minutes, and it is really gonna make your skin softer and brighter immediately. After that guys, I got this Mamaearth Kajal. Now they have just introduced this Kajal and I really loved it because it helps in giving that natural look. Also the product is ophthalmologically tested, so it is completely safe to use in your eyes. You can use on your upper lids as well, and I loved how beautiful it made my eyes look. After that guys, I got this Upturned Day Creme which has SPF 30. It is consist of turmeric and saffron which helps in giving you brighter complexion, reduces sign of aging and makes your skin glow, and saffron adds vibrancy to your face. I'm gonna take little and apply it all over my face. It is gonna be ideal for this winter season because it not only helps in moisturizing your skin but also helps protecting it from harmful UVA and UVB rays. And it is an oil-free moisturizer, so it is not gonna add any kind of shine to your face, which I absolutely love about these products. Again, Mamaearth is made in India brand. And next up I got this Upturn Night Creme. It consists of turmeric, saffron and raspberry extracts which helps in adding such beautiful glow to your face. I apply it at night and I leave it overnight. In the morning I get beautiful glowing skin. Mamaearth products do not have any harmful chemicals which might harm your skin. So again guys, the sale is on right now, and if you use my code Ritu10 you will get extra 10% off. The sale is up to 70%, so I am gonna give the link in the description box below. You guys can go and check it out right now. Now guys, coming back on the waxing part, it was said that you just need to apply it once. It is going to remove all the hair, but yes, there were parts where I applied it twice, but I believe it was because of the fact there might be some oil on my face. Next up, I'm going to move on to my upper lips. I love waxing, which helps in removing upper lip hair, because for getting it threaded I need to go to the parlor again and again. Now I found this wax and it was such a lifesaver for me. Also, it has vegetable oil and all the naturally made ingredients, so it is not going to be harmful for your skin. It is completely safe to use. Applying it on my upper lip, I look like a clown although. And then you need to hold your skin taut and rip it in the direction opposite to the hair growth, and in a single go guys, it removed all the hair I had on my upper lip. So it is a big thumbs up for me. I usually do not like to wax my face because of the fact that it gets irritated, and it was written on the wax, it was promised in the article that it doesn't give you bumpy or irritated skin. As you guys can see on my face that there is little bit of zits, it is because of the end results of shaving, and I always get it because my skin is sensitive. So with this wax I have high expectations because it is very costly. I got this entire jar for 1000 rupees, so let's see if it is gonna work out or not. About the pain thing, I have already told you guys that it does hurt, so my facial expression can tell you, I can't even lie about that. I applied it on my chin as well because there are gonna be tiny hair on the chin, and yes, it hurts. So that is something I've already told you guys. So yes, because it helps in removing the hair from the roots. And guys, I like hair free face because it helps in making your makeup look flawless and beautiful. Also, the absorption of product become better, and it just makes me feel very confident. And in the end, I have applied some aloe vera gels to soothe down my skin. It hasn't made my skin red, so this is something I loved about this wax. This is it guys, I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care, bye bye. I love you guys so much.